Somebody pray for me. It been a day for me. Yeah, yeah.
Yo, what is up, YouTube? It's your boy Shoemanati, aka Grown, back with another vid. Today, I'm at the Tanger Outlets, man. Clank, clank. I know this Mike Rich spot. I've never been to the Tanger Outlets. I'm actually here on some spontaneous shit. My job sent me like over an hour away, and I was like 3 miles from the Tanger Outlet, so I thought I would at least pull up, check it out, run into Nike, see what we got in this Nike store. I've never been in this outlet. I know Mike Rich typically hit a lot in this Nike outlet at the Tanger Outlet, so let's pull up, check the Nike outlets out, and see what we can find. So please make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit that thumbs up on this video, clickety-click that like button. Shout out to the whole Illumination, Team Dark Skin. Let's get right into this outlet vlog, man. It's the Shoemanati show. Let go. So we up in this thing, man. Extra cleanse, yo. Shout out to all the ATA lens. Let's go in the Nike outlet, see what we can find up in here. I got a little something in here. Not bad. 40 bucks. I passed on these too, but these was clean, man. 110, can't go bad for them. Got some 5s in here. A lot of people slept on these, but they clean. 160, that ain't bad. Some more 1s. Some basics and mids, they alright though. I got some pimpins in here. I'm kinda clean, not bad. 110, that ain't bad. Got the blue Johns too. Kinda clean. The multicolor Air Force Ones in the black. These are really light. Not bad. 100 bucks. So everything here is 20% off. Let's see what we can find. Got a pair of Katrinas. These just dropped. They got them for retail $190. That ain't bad. Got these guys. I was looking for these, but this is size 15. But them kind of not bad. Size 13 in these. Got some stuff in here though. Got the Lettermans as well. I can't flex. This is one of the best outlets I've ever been to. Got Kyrie 3s. Like no flex. I can't believe they got these guys though. Like, man. If you missed out on these definitely worth a cop. They got Air Force 180s in here. Like, man, what you doing with these? They're alright. Got some more Zoom flies. Got PG 1s. I got multicolor KD 10s. Some LeBron 14 lows. Like, I can't flex, man. One of the best outlets I've been to. By far the best outlet I've ever been to. I definitely will be back to Tanger Outlets. I'm rushing right now, but definitely got to come back here because there's some fire in this store. Got these guys in the 9.5. These everywhere, but the Rodmans in the Navy. Blonde soldiers. Giving them Kobe 12 vibes. Got some Kobe ADs in that all red. Alright. We got the Jordan Westbrook Michigan PE. He's alright though. Got the KD 10 for 100 bucks in this blue colorway. He's pretty dope. B, they got penny 2s for 80 bucks in here. Like, these hoes is clean. Definitely worth a grab. Your Air Zoom Flight 96. Prices ain't bad. You got one more penny here just sitting on the shelves, man. 80 bucks. I think this the penny 4. Like, what you guys think? Alright guys, so I'm headed out of the Tanger Outlets right now. The Nike outlet was lit. They actually had some dope stuff in there. I just don't have enough time because I have to go back to work. But I wanted to give you guys a quick vlog. Hope you guys enjoyed this vlog at the Nike outlet, at the Tanger Outlets. Definitely will be back here soon. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Hit that thumbs up on this video. Clickety-click that like button. Shout out to everyone for taking time out of their day to watch the video. It was a little sloppy. I just wanted to hurry up and rush in, show you guys what I could show you, and get out of there. But I see you guys in the next one. Illuminate. So you know how we do about this time. It's grown and I approve this message. Intangible entertainment. We famous, bitch. It's grown. I'm gone.
I guess the neighbors think I'm selling dope.
Intangible entertainment. We famous, bitch.